there are default measurement given for the column. Okay. So by default, the column width we can get column width from format. We have already studied about insert tab, insert option of cell group, delete option of cell group. Now it's turn for format. Format is to format the width of the row and width of the height of the row and width of the column. So by default, the width of height of the row is 14.4. Okay, default size of row is 14.4. We can increase or decrease it by writing the numbers here. Suppose that I'm going to decrease it. So for that, I need to open on-screen keyboard. Let me open first on-screen keyboard. Now here, let's use the format row height. And from here, you can delete row height. And you can write the number. Suppose that I'm going to write 13. Earlier it was 14.4. That is default size of row. Now I'm decreasing it by 1.4. Click on OK. You can see the height it shifted upward. Or the difference between 1 and 2 row. You can notice. Okay. So, and second way is when you bring the pointer between A and B, your pointer will convert it into this arrow. That will help to increase the column width, decrease the column width. Here, to increase the row height and to decrease the row height. Okay. So like this, you can increase and decrease the row height, and with the help of format also, with the help of format option, you can increase and decrease the row height and column width. And you can use the option auto fit row height. Auto fit means as you write, it will fit automatically. Auto fit column width. As you write, the width will increase or decrease. Okay. Or default width we can set. If we have done the changes, then we can use default to set everything default. Okay. Visibility, we can hide and unhide. Height, row height column, we can hide row height column. Suppose that we want to hide B column. Okay, so we can go to hide column. See, you can see B is hidden from here, or A and C is only visible here. Okay, to get it back again, we have to go to, and we have to click on unhide column. It was column now, unhide column. Unhide column. It is not. We can unhide and hide with the mouse also. Okay. Rename sheet, we can rename from here, or we can rename doing double click on the sheet. See, here it is shaded, highlighted with the black color. We can erase and write something, whatever we want to write to rename. Second option is to do right click here and do rename, use rename. And the third option is from here. Okay. Move or copy sheet. If you want to copy and move sheet, okay, so you can use it.